Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see year 2016 JEE Main Maths question. Quadratic equation topic. Look at the question. If b belongs to the complex number x squared plus bx minus 1 equal to 0 and the second quadratic equation x squared plus x plus b equal to 0 have a common root other than minus 1. Modulus of what is modulus of b? They have given options root 2, 2, 3, root 3. Okay, how to solve this question? X squared plus bx minus 1 equal to 0. X squared plus x plus b equal to 0. There are two quadratic equations. They have given one root is minus 1. We generally will do alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. We will find the other root. But that method doesn't work ideally. We will do simple method how to solve it. Okay, the simplest way is, you see the coefficient of x squared is 1 only. So if the coefficient of x squared in both equation it is same, so we can do one simple way, we can subtract these two equations. If the coefficient of x squared is both are same, we can subtract. So what will happen? Bx minus x minus 1 minus b is equal to 0. X squared minus x squared is out. So take x out. Okay, bx minus x is equal to minus 1 plus b. Take x out, b minus 1 equal to b plus 1. So x is equal to b plus 1 over b minus 1. What we found? X is equal to b plus 1 over b minus 1. You substitute this value in any one of the equations. Okay, I am substituting in equation 2. What is x? X is b plus 1 over b minus 1. b plus 1 over b minus 1. X squared, so here square, plus x, b plus 1 over b minus 1, plus b is equal to 0. Okay, here we will take the LCM, b over 1, LCM is b minus 1 whole square, so b plus 1 whole square plus b plus 1 again b minus 1. We are multiplying because b minus 1 square is LCM. Here only 1 b minus 1, so we are multiplying. Here plus b times b minus 1 square is equal to 0. So what will happen? B square plus 1 divided by b minus 1 whole square. Divided by b minus 1 whole square, if you multiply with 0, it will be 0. So now we are going to do only with the numerator. B plus 1 whole square is, I expand, b squared plus 1 plus 2b. This a plus b into a minus b method. So b squared minus 1. This is b squared. B minus 1 whole square is b squared plus 1 minus 2b is equal to 0. Again I expand. 2b squared. This 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 2b squared plus 2b, this will be cancelled. Okay, this b squared, 2b squared plus 2b plus b cube, I am expanding, plus b minus 2b squared is equal to 0. This 2b squared cancel. B cube plus 3b is equal to 0. Okay, take b out. So what will be the b squared plus 3 is equal to 0. So what are the options? Either b is equal to 0 or b is not equal to 0, because they have given b is a complex number. So b squared is equal to minus 3. So what is b? B is square root of plus or minus square root of minus 3. What is b? B is plus or minus square root of minus 3 plus or minus I root 3. Okay, this is a B. What is modulus of B? Modulus of B, we study mostly we will cancel, only minus sign will be the plus sign. So plus or minus I root 3. Okay, what is that? Not only minus sign, I sign also will be removed in the modulus. Okay, if minus 5 means it is 5 only, minus I5 also it is 5 only. Okay, so modulus of B is I root 3 means it is only root 3. Don't write I root 3. If they give the option, you may don't choose it. Not I root 3, it is a root. Because in modulus, minus sign also will go, I also will go, imaginary number also will go. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep watching, study well.